Now we do not need to create BOM for raw material because raw material is the one that you are receiving from your supplier, and you don't have to have the BOM. You are not making it in your facility, so that's why we don't have to do that. Instead, what we can do is we can explode the bill of material. In other words, you want to see what kind of things are going in there. You can view that, and you can make sure that all the components are included in your bill of material. So to explode your bill of material, what you can do is you go to now bill of material. On the bill of material, we have reporting. So instead of going on the bill of material, go to reporting and BOM explosion. And BOM explosion, then mature BOM. And here we want to select multi-level BOM because there are multiple levels in your finished product. It has sub-assembly and also raw material. So those are things that you want to see. And I want to choose here RFRT 1000 first, or 2000, and it's from DR00. And BOM application, I want to identify it as PP01, which is production general. And then I want to display it. So to do that, instead of enter, click on this execute icon. Okay. And then this one displays what products are in here, right? So look at this 1 and 2. So 1 means a parent level, and 2 means children level, and TRW 2000 is 222, and it has the base quantity, and for example, if you click on this one, touring tire RF commuter has to go in there in TRWA 2000, so TR 2000 is in there, TRTB 1000, RF tube 222 is in there, and TRWH aluminum wheel is in there, hexanode, and log washer, socket, headboard that you have identified in your bill of material in the previous section is all included there. So RFRT 2000 has all these components, and then TRFR 1000 and so forth. Those are in the parent level, and those components are included in this bill of material that you can check here in this section.